face down on the mattress. I want something else to get me through